Hello students, this is Bomik sir again. I think you are all fine and fantastic and taking care of your parents and everything. Fine. First chapter we had already done in Beehive. Now the second chapter we are going to start, that is sound of music. Music we understand is that um, there are lots of music you hear. Now say for example that is Indian music, many kinds of music, English songs also you hear. Now here the girl we are talking about had been taken, one of the senses had been taken away, because there are five senses with us, and the most important sense is that of the sound which we hear. Say for example, if the person who is a deaf person will not be able to hear the full music and express it properly. So here first part, this sound of music has been divided into two parts. One is Evelyn Glenn Evelyn, and second one is one of our maestro Shanai player, that is Bismillah Khan. Now first part 1 will start. Now part 1, first of all there are some written notes, please go through this, and there are some main lines I have underlined and main highlighted points also. The words which are highlighted with yellow are the main words which I will be giving the meanings of when I'll give the notes. Take care of that one. And there are some things which I have encircled with the red pen, and other things I have highlighted with a kind of red marker. Okay, so red highlighter I have marked, that is important points. Please take care of that one. Okay, so while I go through now, in this we are talking about a multi-percussionist. Percussionist is the kind who use air to play some kind of music. So here she can play about 1000 instruments with perfection. We are talking about Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie, first of all, we see in years when she was 17 years, and she was, first we start with this story has been related to the author who is writing this story. The author, you will be seeing Deborah. Here we'll see her name. Her name is flashed at the end, Deborah Coley. Deborah Coley gives the total idea how Evelyn Glennie came up with all these problems, and finally she stood up, and it was her first day. The paragraph starts, it is not her first, the story starts with a kind of performance which she is doing in the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for a teenager, while because she was a bit lesser than 17 years, so she was an aspiring musician. Okay, she was profoundly deaf. Profoundly here exactly means completely deaf. Okay, and we are talking about, I have already marked, talking about Evelyn here. Okay, now here in this, she was, when she was 8 years old, she wanted to pursue a career in music, but her teachers discouraged her. It was the person, you will find out when she understood that she was in the second paragraph, you will find out that the person, I'll make you understand with this, they called her with the name. Here is the one. Okay, they called her with the name. Okay, I'll use yeah, I think you can understand. So they called her the name, but she was not able to understand this. The name was not able to understand, and finally she concealed her growing deafness and the friends and the teachers from the friends and the teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a kind of a specialist, because now she was not able to hear anything. So that's why it's a kind of a, she was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. There are optical nerves for your eyes, and there are other sensory nerves that carry your vibrations from the ear to that of the brain so that you can hear properly. So they were advised finally, so you can see here at the this part, that they were finally advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf, means deaf and dumb school actually. So everything suddenly looked black for, I have already marked the line, and you will see this side. This is she is saying to the person. Here I have already told, I have written on the top. Okay, this she is saying to the person. But what happened? Actually, she is a xylophone player. Xylophone, this side it is been said, it's a kind of a wooden material, and there are two sticks which are lying on that one, and on that they are of different kinds of vibrations that come, and whenever they are played, so that kind of vibrations give the kind of a scintillating music, okay, kind of a tinkles, okay, that comes out. Now here Ron Forbes was one of the, I have already encircled the name. Ron Forbes encircled name here with the blue underlined also. Percussionist spotted her potential, and he began tuning two large drums to different notes. Don't listen through ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way, says Evelyn. Suddenly I realized, now this is what Evelyn is trying to say to the person, okay, who is in front. Okay, this all the story has been related, mind you. Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered, the whole thing is very important, mind you, that she could sense certain notes for the different parts of the board of her body. Now, as it comes, I had heard to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. This is already marked with a bracket. This sheer determination starts up. She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured United Kingdom. Then, when she was 16, and she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. She gradually moved, means this was normally she was going up, okay. Finally in 1991, means this will come up here, okay, this will come up here. First of all, she also tells here that it is an intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing, and that the author writes, in our 2-hour discussion, see, this is a kind of a discussion going on, she never missed a word, means as she was asking the question, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. It is this is the lady playing the xylophone, okay, not just watching the lips. Why? Because of the fact, I'll tell you very clearly, okay. See, if there are this is the person, and if there are beards like this, okay, there are beards like this, fine, okay, here is the mouth, okay. If the person is speaking, and this is the beard, mind you, and this will kind of obstruct to the person's vision, or the vibrations, or the movement of the lips, she cannot make it out, okay. So that is the reason why she is saying this, mind you. Now, but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. These languages also she had already learned. Finally, it tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays the xylophone she plays, I have already written that. She can sense the sound passing up the sticks into the fingertips. So resonances she can find out. So that's the main thing. And then the vibrations and the bare feet and up her legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audience. In 1991, finally, she got the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious soloist means singular, of the Year award. And here you will find out what we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. That is what she is called vocaholic. Here I have mentioned the word. Okay, and next comes the final paragraph. Is I have told that it is a value oriented one, and please take care of that while reading. I have marked it. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. So that is what she is trying. It is being said here. Okay, and not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to the millions. Very simple thing. And another thing which I missed out here is she also gives this line. You will find out that this line, please take care, which is highlighted, also gives free concerts in the prisons and the hospitals. So that is the first part ending. Take care. Vomix sir signing off.